We have a fact check on a new beauty treatment that's emerging. It's called platelet-rich plasma. A technician takes your own blood plasma and injects it into your face to rejuvenate your skin and prevent aging. But does it work, and is it safe? Well, I'm here with family Dr. Nita Bijoor to break down the facts for us. She's from Oakview Medical Associates in Greenville. She also brought us a patient. So we have Laura Simmons here as well. She had the procedure done, so we'd love to hear from that. A lot of people want to know what it's like. Does it work? How does it feel? But I want to start with Dr. Nita Bijoor. Let's first talk about what this is, platelet-rich plasma. I think a lot of people are curious because instead of Botox where, you know, you're really pausing what's happening there, this is something where you're using your own body to kind of rejuvenate your skin. So explain how it works.
Yes, so platelet-rich plasma is where we draw the patient's blood, we spin it down in a specific centrifuge, and then we're able to extract the layer of plasma that contains all the platelets. Platelets have about 8 growth factors. So it's like getting your natural boost of your own serum back into the skin, or it's also used in orthopedics, it's used in hair restoration, and it really boosts the growth of collagen, elastin, and just helps the skin get tighter and firmer.
And I was watching some video you had sent. It's not like you're putting blood on your face. The plasma is actually yellow by the time that you put it on your skin. So it's not like a vampire putting blood on their skin. Now, Laura, you had this done. Explain what it was like when you went through it.
Well, it's non-invasive, so it does not hurt. I was no downtime. The day after, I didn't put any makeup on, you know, just for that day. But it did not hurt. Maybe an hour and a half procedure. Yes. And what I have found is you can do this because you don't have to spend all the money on the expensive makeup anymore. I actually have started using a little less expensive facial treatments, and I have more people saying, hey, your face is glowy, it's this, it's that, and it's taken some of this jawline. I'm going to continue to do it, but it's phenomenal. Wow. I can't say enough.
Now, Dr. Bijoor, are there any risks, any people who should not do this?
So it is your own blood product. So for the patient, it's their own blood. Although it's the chances of an allergic reaction there are very low because it's the person's own blood. It is a blood product, so infection risk. So it really must be done in a medical facility. Licensed providers, licensed physicians should be performing it. So ask questions. I would encourage patients to just, you know, ask about the procedure. What are the benefits? What are the risks? And we are seeing patients. It's done more if you know, I do a lot of PRP for medical treatments, for scar revision. I do it for hair restoration. So it's really beneficial in a lot of medical conditions.
I know initially it was used for healing wounds. That's why they used it back in the day. And now, obviously, if there's a new trend with beauty, everyone capitalizes on it.
Yes, some of the sports stars have had it for tendon injury, ligament injury, and so it's helped healing of those areas. So it's very popular now.
And how quickly can you see the results? Because I know with Botox, it's pretty immediate, but this, it takes a little bit longer because it's your own skin, right?
Right. Botox is actually a product that helps relax the muscle, soften the muscle, so it's a very different treatment. This PRP is more of a rejuvenation treatment, so it's regenerative. What it does is it just gives you, in a very controlled environment, it gives you all the growth factors back into your skin, back into the tissues. So it's like just giving your tissue the fertilizer it needs to help boost the growth.
All right. Well, thank you so much for joining us today, Laura and Dr. Bijoor. So,
thank you.
Yeah, some good information to have.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And now.